Hello friends. We are learning phrasal verbs. In this lesson we will look at break away and break down. Please do watch till the end. Break away. To suddenly leave or escape from somebody or something.
The thief broke away from the jail.
Correct. Break down. To fail to work properly. To become very upset. To separate into parts. To cause to decay. Or to become weak.
The car broke down on the highway.
Well done.
She broke down and cried.
Absolutely.
Can you break down the bill, please?
Good job.
Plastics don't break down naturally. Do not throw plastics on the roadside.
Correct.
His health broke down after the trip.
Getting better. Great work. We hope you enjoyed and learned something new. See you next time.